Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Node.js has released the current version, that is Node 22, which is released on the 15th of May. So currently it's 19th of May. Okay, so here these are the notable changes that you can see in your Node.js 22 package. What are the key points that they have done? Let's put that points. Okay, so here we go with the points. So first one, that is CLI. Now you can run the WebAssembly code in the limited virtual memory environments using this command. FS, the fs read directory function now supports the with file types option when used with globes, allowing you to get more information about the files in a directory. Inspector, a new flag inspect wait has been introduced for the inspector protocol. This flag allows you to delay the startup of the inspector agent until a debugger has connected. Puff hooks module has been enhanced with the new fields, delivery type, and the response status, providing more details about the HTTP performance hooks. Documentation, various improvements have been made to the documentation, including the adding examples, adding notes for the functions like HTTP server, close, updating the documentation for the FS real path, and FS read. Rest of the documentation you will get it from their blog. Here we go with this one. Okay, so here you can see that filter non-present dips from the start CLI version they have, and bootstrap print help message console.log. Okay, and much more they have mentioned in their documentation in the releases. Okay, so these are all the documentation that the blog I found from their node version. So this node version has been released. If you know anything else, then do let me know in the comment section. So please go and check this node.js current version. Thank you so much, have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.